know how to count, don't you? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's time to learn how to talk about quantities in English. For example,
How many flowers are there in the garden?
all right, that was a joke. You use question words to ask about quantities. How many is used with countable nouns.
1 dog, 2 cats, 3 birds, 4 snakes.
Let's see some examples.
How many dogs do you have?
I have 4 dogs.
How many cats are there in the park?
There are 3 cats.
Let's see the structure. How many plus noun plus do/does plus subject plus verb plus complement. How many plus noun plus are there plus complement. But sometimes we don't use numbers to refer to quantities.
How many toys does Gilbert have?
Gilbert has many toys.
Now, many is used for a large quantity, like
Many books. Many dresses. Many keys.
we can also talk about small quantity, few, a few, small countable quantity, like
Gilbert has few toys.
few in this sentence means not enough.
Gilbert has a few toys.
Now, a few means small, but enough quantity. Let's review now. How many is a question word used with countable nouns. Many is used for a large quantity. A few means a small quantity, positive idea, enough. Few means a small quantity, negative idea, not enough. Now, let's talk about uncountable nouns, like
Love. Water. Oxygen. Rice.
usually uncountable nouns are emotions like love, happiness, grains like sugar, salt, liquids like water, beer, gases like air, oxygen, abstract ideas like money, time. How much is a question word used with uncountable nouns.
How much time do I have left?
You have a little time.
Or
You have little time.
How much rice do you want?
I'm not so hungry. I don't want much.
to answer questions related to quantity, you can use much for a large quantity, more commonly used in negative sentences. Little means not enough. A little means enough but small quantity. Let's compare. Little versus a little.
I have little money. I have a little money.
We can also talk about large quantities using a lot of with both countable and uncountable nouns.
How many flowers are there in the garden?
There are a lot of flowers.
How much time do we have?
We have a lot of time.
A lot of is used for countable and uncountable nouns like a lot of dogs, bottles, people. Countable. A lot of sugar, fear, coffee, time. Uncountable. Take a look at the chart. For questions, we can use how many for countable and how much for uncountable nouns. Large quantity, many, much. Small quantity, positive idea, a few, a little. Small quantity, negative idea, few, little. Large quantity, a lot of. A lot of. In this class, you studied how many and how much, countable and uncountable nouns, countable and uncountable expressions. That's it for now. Bye.